car just want to kick out. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna take this car and get a little bit of work done to it. Nothing major, but with the Whipple comes some responsibilities, and she needs some tires. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the car for her because she's got to work. So she went ahead and just picked up everything I've heard about these tires is awesome. These are the Nitto NT555R2s. These are radial. They look like they would be a little better in the rain. Everything I've read is that they hook and they're decent in the rain and they last a little longer. It's 100 tread wear. So these should last a little longer than what I run in mine now. Because what I have in mine, let me see if I show y'all. I run, it's kind of dark in here, but you can see I ain't got much of a tread wear. I run the NT555Rs, which is a true radial. But I mean, and honestly, these are pretty decent in the rain. The NT555Rs are pretty decent in the rain for a radial. Once you get past like 10,000 miles on them, they start becoming a little sketchy. So I might just go with these when I do need some tires, because everything I've read and all the reviews is that these things are awesome. So yeah, because this car right now is kicking 4th gear, highway, get on it, and it wants to kick out. So the tires on it right now are some Federals, which for any power is fine, but now with the Whipple and the torque it hits instantly, it's not cutting it. So she's still getting used to driving a car with this kind of power. So I want her to be safe. So I said just order the tires and now get them put on, because I don't want to have her to be worrying about if the car's gonna kick out, and I want her to enjoy the car. That's one thing with my car is it just hooks and books. I don't have to worry about the car wanting to kick out on me or anything. So let's load it up, but first let's get a cold start. Why not? Because it does sound good. Sounds good. That car sounds good. Next, probably gonna do headers in that car soon. I don't know when, because I don't like the idea of boost with cats. So just gonna let her roll out a little bit like that, see how she handles boosts in the long term for a few months at least, and then we'll look into getting the headers. But let's load up these tires. Let's head to the tire shop and get these on, because these wheels, for some reason, they're a massive pain in the butt, and you just don't want to take them to anybody to put them on. So we're gonna take him over to Tyler. He had a Camaro. He knows what he's doing. He's done it before. So let's go. Look, one thing I'll say, Camaro trunk, you're damn useless. I'll give you that. So come on. You can't even put one tire in the car. Come on. Yeah. This was just poor design in here. But whatever. It looks good, right, honey?
It'll look good. It'll stick to the ground.
Yeah. Guys, it likes to kick out easily. Yeah, barely on it. I barely hit 3,000 RPM there. So the instant torque is definitely not helping those tires. They weren't bad, like I said, they weren't bad tires. They're Federals F60s, which I run them in my front, and actually they're decent tires, but they're not made for they're definitely not made for this kind of torque. Need something a little stickier, which that's what we're going for here. These tires, I mean, if you get on it just a little bit, look at that. The car just want to kick out. But yeah, you see, the car just wants to too much shimming, and I'm not cool with that. I need her to feel comfortable. All right, guys. So first wheel is done. I think it's a great job. That's why we came over here, because a lot of people are just scared to do these wheels. There's not much of a look. So yeah, it looks good. I can tell these tires are gonna stick. Just getting the second one taken off now. It's good. Ice cold. Out there, Muffin City Auto Repair. This is where you find Tyler here in Orlando. Auto Performance, he does everything. Sticky. We'll see. We'll test them out here in a minute. Alright guys, so first impressions. I think they do pretty well. No spinning. They didn't spin it all there. So I think so far I like them. They're a little, I think they're a little tall. It gives the car a little bit meaty look. I'm getting a little bit slight rubbing somewhere on the inside though. I'm gonna look at it when I'm just slight, oh so slight when I turn a little bit. So this car's lowered and these cars are super duper tight as it is in the wheel well. So I'll look at it when I get home, see what's it doing. But overall, I think it's a good tire. I definitely don't feel I'm not gonna do a dig because there's traffic around me. But I'll give you see what it does, at least from first gear. It's pretty damn good. Damn, goddamn, first gear pulls hard as hell in this car. I wasn't expecting that. That was pretty damn good. So far, I'd probably get them for my car. I don't know how they're going to do in the rain, but I think they'll be all right in the rain. So let's get to the house. I want to see what that rub is, and we'll finish up.
Let's see what happens. It's already starting to sprinkle just a little bit, so.
Alright guys, so there it is. Nitto 555R2s. Great tire. She's happy with them. I'm happy she got them. Well worth the money. Gives the car a nice little meaty look. And it hooks. With this down low torque, it hooks. So she's happy with it. I'm happy with it. I'm a little less worried about it because, like I said, she's still getting used to the power. She'll be alright. She really likes the power though. I created this monster. It's all my fault. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. Comment. Let me know what you guys think. We'll see y'all later. Stay safe out there.